Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off announce calls on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings screen, swipe up to go down and tap on Phone. Next, tap on Announce Calls. In here, to turn it on, you can select Always, or Phones in Car, or Headphones Only. To switch it off, you can select Never, so never announce incoming calls. Or if you select Always, always announce incoming calls. When second generation iPods and some Beats headphones are connected, you can answer a call without saying "Hi Siri." And that's it. So select one of the options, and then you can tap on the back here to go back to Settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.